Ball. Magic Johnson controls the tip. Here's Larry Bird backing in. Goes to the fadeaway. Travel, but the air ball was tossed by Burrell. Johnson leading the break. Finds Robinson.
And Larry Bird, and then have a point man in the middle, like Magic running the show. You know you're going to get some easy scores for the U.S. in transition.
Magic with the pass that misfired. Jordan with the behind-the-back save. Here's Bird. Yes!
And you just knew that Larry Bird was not going to miss that shot after the great save by Michael Jordan.
United States with a 12-5 lead. And the United States with a 12-7 advantage. Pretty good, Barkley able to finish it off. Trouble that came on strong in the second half. Bird is wide open. That's a shot. As for the pull-up, and rebounded by Jordan. Oh, a bullet from Magic to Barkley.
They have so many interchangeable parts.
Stockton with the look away, finding Pippen. United States 50-24. Leitner from Johnson. Yes, and it counts. Another assist from Magic Johnson. Victory last night. A come-from-behind effort against Canada. Bird for three.
Magic that time making the defensive rotation, forcing him to put it on the floor.
Bird for three. Yes! His third from downtown. Larry Bird from Magic Johnson to conclude the first half. Karl Malone and John Stockton able to team up. Mullen with the steal. Stockton has Mullen. Goes the other way. Clyde was trailing the play, and Stockton set him up perfectly.
Pressure defense like this can just discourage teams, take them out of everything they're trying to do.
And Drexler leads the break. Stockton. And Robinson able to control off the boards. Again, the U.S. on a break. Stockton from Malone. It counts, and the foul. Stockton on a give and go with Malone. Well, going into this competition, there were basketball people who said no question it would be a series of blowouts. Drexler again, and the foul. But Barkley and Michael Jordan. Magic Johnson back, and that won't count. So Michael Jordan with his most explosive move of the day, but he was fouled before the shot attempt. Cuba has actually unleashed 5 unanswered points. The announcement, they said foul on Jordan, but it's Caballero. Bird open. Yes. Remaining of the game, and the U.S. leading 108-41. Jordan off the fake. Michael Jordan with a spectacular move, going to a second option. And the U.S. leads 110-41. The move on Mullen. Malone with the rebound. And that will wrap it. Drexler with a count. Yes, it does. Well, the crowd loved the conclusion. The final score, the United States 136 and Cuba 57. We'll be back in Portland in a moment.